I'd like you to help me with this example, please. Let's begin with a 4. Place a 4 cube over here. Now it says to add 3x. What does it say to do next?
Equal.
Take away what?
2x.
Okay, why don't you do that? And now what does it say to do?
Plus x.
Okay, good. Put a plus x there, add an x. Okay, all of that is equal to x plus 5. Okay, Moshe, so now you have the setup for the problem. Do you see any legal moves we can perform? Take away an x from each side, okay. Good.
2. 1.
X equals 1. Okay, let's write down here x equals 1.
Oh, we can do here 1.
Yeah, put a 1 there. And how did you know that x is equal to 1?
This is 4 and 5.
4 and 1 is 5. Okay, good. Set up the original problem one more time. If x is 1, how much is this side?
6.
And this side?
6.
Do you know how to write the number 6? No. Okay, so the check would be 6 equals 6.